Hello dear friends, welcome to FinShapi. I am Ram, I am a CFA chartered holder. Today we are going to discuss about how to use basket order in Jira the Kite app. This is a quick session. We will just discuss what is basket order and how to implement it in Jira the Kite. So what is basket order means? Basket order means you can execute more than one order at a time. For example, you want to invest in ITC, TCS and Infosys. In 3 stocks, you want to place the order at a time. You can add them into the basket and just click on execute. All the 3 orders placed at a single moment. So that is basket order basically. And another example, if you want to implement option strategy, for example, if you want to implement straddle, you have to buy call option, you have to buy put option. You can simply add call and put to basket and just click on execute. Order will be placed at the same time for both call and put. So placing order at the same time is the advantage of the basket order. At present, Zerodha implemented this feature in the web version. They will also going to implement it in mobile app also, but you can also still use in mobile. I will let you know how to use it in mobile. Now let us see the practical way how to implement basket order in our web version of Zerodha Kite. So in orders, you can see basket, right? So in baskets, you click on new basket, you can give any name. I am giving a basket name as stocks. As first example, I am explaining with stocks. I am adding TCS in the basket. So I have selected one quantity, long term and order type market. When I click on add, it doesn't mean that I am executed the order. I just added that stock into the basket. Now I am adding HDFC Bank. So again I added one quantity of HDFC Bank. Now I am selecting Asian Paint into my basket. I am choosing here instead of market order, I am choosing limit order. I am giving price as 2188 here. So when it reaches that price, then only it will trigger. Okay. I have added 3 stocks here. You can see the margin. Margin would be same because I have selected long term. So when you click on execute, all these 3 stocks will execute at once. For now, I am closing it. I'll explain the execution process with option contracts, because for options it would be more suitable, because in any option strategy we would have more than one option type. I have created Nifty options as a basket, and now I'll explain with call spread. I'm adding 12,900 call option as buy. And now I'm adding 12,800 call option as sell. This is a call spread, a simple call spread. I'll execute it, and you need to click on this radio button to make it sell. So you can see here we added one buy order and one sell order. You can also see here required margin and final margin in green color. So before executing itself, you can see the margin. So I'm executing now. Click on S. So I have executed 2 orders at once at the same time. We can see the same in positions. These orders are added, executed, and pricing. We can see the pricing changes. We can also see these in orders, whether these 2 orders executed at the same time. You can see that timing 18, 28, 21 seconds. I'll also explain with one more example with Bank Nifty. I'll add 4 options there, and we will see whether we can execute in the same way. So I'm giving a name of the basket here, Bank Nifty Iron Condor. So I'm adding Bank Nifty options. I need to add 4 options here, 2 from call side and 2 from put side. First I'm adding call option 29,300 as a buy, and Bank Nifty call option 29,200 as a sell option. Now I'll add put option side. I'll add Bank Nifty 28,300 put option as a buy, and now I need to add sell option. Bank Nifty 28,400 as a sell option. You need to toggle here to make it sell. Add. Now you can see here from call option side and put option side, and margin, required margin and final margin also. One advantage here is before executing the order, you can see how much margin is required for a strategy. You can check your funds whether this margin requirement is more than or less than your funds. Then only you can execute any strategy. Now I am executing this strategy using basket order. So you can see all the orders completed almost at the same time. We can see them in orders also. Okay, we can see here in positions all the orders are added and pricing are getting changed. I'll close these because I added these for example purpose only. I have closed these orders. So this is how we can use basket order in Zerodha Kite. For now, this basket order is enabled for web version only. For those who are only using mobile, they don't have a laptop or computer, they still can use this basket order, but you have to log in using web version, not by mobile app. You can create your basket and execute using web version. Later on, you can track all those trades using your mobile app. So that is the workaround for now for mobile users. Hope you got good clarity about how to use basket order and what is basket order. That's it about the session, friends. If you don't have a Zerodha Demat account till now, you can open your Zerodha Demat account within 10 minutes online. I have given Zerodha account opening link in this video description. I have also given account opening process video session link also. You can also make use of it and open your Zerodha Demat account. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it now. Thank you, friends.